Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can apply neon outline effect to our video in CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to apply neon outline effect to my video. So first of all, we have to open the CapCut effect, click on this effect option, and here we have to select the video effect. Then after this video effect has been opened, we can go to the Nightclub category, this one. Then we can scroll down to find the neon outline effect. You can keep scrolling to find it. This one, neon outline. Just click on the effect. Then we can adjust the effect by tapping on this adjust button. Then you can go right and go left like this. And after you're done adjusting the effect, you can click on the check mark and we can drag the effect to make it align with the video. Okay, and now it's done. And this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply neon outline effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.